everybody, this is Nasif Arjon from Tutorial, and today we will be reviewing the Havit H2029U, and I think it's a very good budget headphone. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button and like and share the video. So let's get right into the unboxing. So let's start the unboxing video. So yeah, first let's open up the box. It is well packaged, and I will put down the link to buy this package on Techland. Wait a second. It is very well packaged. Okay, so yeah, so it comes and there is the package. Let me remove it. Wait a second. It's this way, sorry. Yeah, so this comes with this is the headphone. You can see right here. I'll give you some light. Wait a second. Yeah, so this is it. Comes with a manual, I think. Yeah, like the software information. There is software to control these headphones. Yeah, and then it comes with a card with product warranty. Yeah, and then there is the main headphone. I gotta say, it is very well packaged. I mean, seriously, man, how well can you package this? Wait a second, I'm coming right back. Yeah, sorry, I'm back. I was just adjusted the light. You can see right here. Okay, let me just, there is a stapler. Wait, let me remove that real quick. Yeah, removed, and then I can take out the, so you can see right here. So yeah, this is the main headphone. The earbuds are really soft. I can it is good, very good for your ear, and it comes with a very hard wire, so it cannot be broken or torn apart. And it also comes with a mic, a built-in mic. Yeah, so let's first take off this polythene. Wait. It's satisfying. Yeah, so it is made out of plastic, this end, and these are rubbers. And it is the headphone is 50mm speaker with 7.1 surround sound, and it comes with a built-in controller, so you can adjust the volume, the mic on and off, and the light, the RGB. I'll show you the light in a second. And you can also adjust your head size by how your skull size is. So you can adjust the headphone. It goes from 1 to 7, so depending on your size. So let's just connect it to the computer. So guys, I tried out the audio. The audio is really good, and you can see the RGB. There is the RGB with different colors, and also with a microphone RGB. So yeah, I tested out the music. It is really good, and the sound is really good, and also the cushions are really soft. There is also a cushion here to soften your head, and you can easily use this for 6 hours, but it will not be a headache. I tried it out, and it does not occur a headache. My head is completely fine, and it is very comfortable. So I think you should try it out. So overall the headphone was really good, you can see right there. And if you want it, you can buy it on techland.com BD. I will give you the link in the description. You can find it there for only 2,500 taka. And see you again next time.